How can I get the system tray on my second monitor? Whenever I play games, those will always launch on the main monitor. Since the system tray where the clock is located is only displayed on the taskbar on the main monitor, I can't see what time it is while playing my games unless I alt-tab. What can I do to get the system tray on my secondary screen?
I just found this method that works quite well. Right-click on any taskbar, then uncheck Lock All Taskbars. Move the main taskbar, the one with the system tray on it, to a screen of your choosing. You can do this by dragging the whole taskbar. Optional, right-click on any taskbar and check Lock All Taskbars again. While playing games, the clock will remain visible at all times. Tested and works in Windows 7, 8/8.1 and 10. Does not work in Windows 11, as the taskbar can no longer be moved. Starting with build 14328, the clock will remain on all taskbars in Windows 10. Taskbar clock on all monitors. We heard a lot of requests for this from our gaming community. We're happy to announce that for the first time since the taskbar was created, if you have multiple monitors and your taskbar set to show on all displays, the clock will now be visible on each taskbar. This feature has been shipped with the Windows 10 Anniversary Update, version 16.07. For some reason, this feature was removed from Windows 11, then brought back in build 22,000.526. We added the clock and date to the taskbars of other monitors when you connect other monitors to your device. This update has been shipped in February.
I'm not sure if this is true, but remember that it worked in the past when I had a second monitor. Set your second monitor as the default one. Start your game in windowed mode and move it to your first monitor and resize it to full screen.
If you want just clock and time, instead of the whole system tray, you can install a gadget pack, then install it and add the gadgets for date and time, and drag them to the taskbar in the second monitor. This way, you have the date and time in both monitors.
I've wanted to find this out as well. I have my CPU and GPU temperatures that I want to monitor at all times without having to alt-tab. The easiest way to do this, for me, was to turn on taskbars on both monitors in the personalized taskbar settings. Then make my second display the main monitor in the display settings. So at this point, you now have all your normal icons, whether it's Chrome or Steam or Spotify, on both screens. But your clock and temperatures or internet icon, whatever you have in the tray, is visible on the monitor that doesn't have your game open, monitor 2.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.